Right, it's come to that time of day. Got a brew on. Quite an up mug. The engine is inverted. Oh, we have got the crank in. Pistons and connecting rods all in. Everything's tightened down, torqued, split pinned, locking tabs all locked in position. You can just about see the power makers down there. Look at them lovely little things. So I'm just sat here now, just not waiting, toying with what my next move's going to be. So we have got oil pump is over there, governor set there, some bracing plates which go in the front here to bridge the gap across, ready for the sump to go onto. And they've got little seals in there, little felt seals. Rear crank seal cover. That's got a split seal in it. So got to clean that up, and then we got obviously the camshaft there. So I've got myself a big cleaning container, ready to start doing a parts wash. Oh wow, that's right, and then the followers are in there, which have got to be all cleaned and washed off. So, because I got to put the followers in first, because they go down through those little holes. So they got to go in first, and then the cam goes in afterwards. And the cam goes through that hole there, right the way through to the back. Governor fits into there. Good old gears, can't beat them. Better than fucking wet belts. See, back in the day, they knew how to make them. So, yeah. So I've been coached in here all day. So, which I'm quite happy about. So, yeah. Got the tunes in the corner there. Compressor in there. This is a bit of an add-on to Dad's. Well, this was originally Dad's first workshop here. So, used to be the pigsty. And outside toilet. Used to be a grunter there. And then here, you can see on the floor, there is the divider. And that's where the pigs used to be. It's all in here. Because down in there, I don't think you'll be able to see on the video, there's a door there which links through to outside. Which links through to this tin shack here. The roof has fell off it. You can just about see the door at the back there. Just about there. And this used to be the outside of the pigsty. Little Coventry Climax engine there. I think that'll be a little bit beyond you, Dean, I think. I don't know what's missing off that bloody thing. It's been there absolutely donkey's years. There's a rotavator at the back. No, it's not. It's a lawnmower. An old lawnmower at the back end there. Yeah. I used to play in here as a kid. That wasn't yesterday. But anyway, we'll sit, have a slurp of tea, and tell you what I'm going to do first thing tomorrow morning. I think it'll just be a parts cleaning day, I think, tomorrow. And we'll go from there. So, time for a brew. And even had the Bible out today. All, what to do, what happens with a knocked conrod. As you can see, it doesn't look too healthy in there, does it? So, yeah, the Holy Grail. So, right, on that note, I'm going to call it a day. Ta-da for now.